welcome to my channel. I'm the vegan Bossa. Today I will prepare 3 of my favorite smoothie recipes. If you are feeling like you have a very busy morning and don't have time for a proper breakfast, these smoothies are the solution for you. Smoothies are perfect any time of the year and are a very easy way to get the daily serving of fruits and vegetables. Me, when I am in a rush, I prepare it in just 5 minutes and take it with me to go. Or sometimes, especially during weekends, when I have a lot of time, or even when I feel more hungry, I prefer to make smoothie bowls. Enough with the talking, and let's prepare them! The first smoothie I'm gonna prepare today is the green detox smoothie. This is a highly alkaline smoothie that will cleanse your liver and flush toxins from your body. I'm gonna add to the blender 1 kiwi, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 cup of pineapple, half avocado, a handful of spinach, and to make this smoothie low in calories and high in potassium, I'm gonna use 1 cup of coconut water. Blend it until it's creamy and smooth, and enjoy it. The second smoothie I'm gonna prepare is an anti-aging smoothie. Add to the blender 1 cup of green apple, 1 cup of strawberries, some mint leaves, and some coconut water to keep it low in calories and high in potassium. This smoothie is full of vitamin C, which helps our body to produce collagen, which keeps our skin elastic and firm. And the third smoothie I'm going to prepare today is the tropical smoothie. Add to the blender 1 cup of peaches, 1 cup of mango, 1 handful of physalis, 1 passion fruit, and some vegan milk of your choice. I used here the coconut milk, but you can use other milks. And blend it. Physalis and passion fruit are very rich in fibers, and this makes this smoothie very good for your gut health. I hope you really enjoyed these 3 smoothie recipes. If you like this video and you want to receive other videos in the future, please subscribe and give some thumbs up. Thank you and see you the next time.